Hello, today we're going to be talking about plant hormones. Hormones are chemical substances that controls the plant's activities. We are going to concentrate on four different hormones. They are either going to stimulate or inhibit a specific response in the target tissue of the plant. And they can be very effective in a very small quantity. And it also will depend on the time of the year and what stage the plant is in. The first one we are going to talk about is auxins. Auxins typically mean to increase or augment. That's the Greek word for auxin. They are a group of hormones that are influencing plant growth. They are going to promote cell division. They're going to stimulate the enlargement and elongation of the stem cells. They will also form buds, okay, of the different plants. One of the things with auxins is it does allow the plant stems to bend a little bit, and you will see that in the next video. The next hormone is gibberellin. Gibberellin also produces cell division. It will stimulate cell division. It produces stem elongation. It's very critical to the development of the seed and that whole embryo forming. It will also inhibit the seed formation once it is growing. It will stimulate the pollen tube growth that you learned about earlier. It will help increase the fruit size, and it will also initiate the flowering. There's about 70 known compounds that are classified as gibberellins. The next hormone is cytokinins. Again, this is another growth hormone. It's going to stimulate cell division. It's going to stimulate rapid growth in different plants. It can also repair damaged tissues. It can regulate their stem and root growth. And it's very important in regulating the transport and storage of food and plants through the phloem. It also can help delay the death and aging of a plant. The last type of hormone we're going to talk about is ethylene. Ethylene is a gas that is responsible for the ripening of fruit. It will allow the stem to also grow thicker if there's physical strength on the plant, and it also will help with flower production. The main thing, though, is the fruit ripening. When the fruits are picked from the trees, they are typically picked when they are not ripe, and then they are shipped to the United States. The people also need to add ethylene gas to the fruit in order for it to ripen when it hits the supermarkets or the produce stand. If you have a banana that's in your lunch bag, or you will notice by the end of the day it will be brown, it will be over ripened. So they often caution you to not put your bananas near your fruit because it will over ripen or ripen your fruit too quickly. And again, if you want to ripen a fruit because it's not quite ripe, you can put a banana with it or another type of a fruit and cover it. Covering it will cause the ethylene gas that's produced to be trapped. And as the fruit ripens, it produces more and more ethylene gas, which will allow the fruit to ripen about 2 to 3 times faster. If you have any questions, please see me tomorrow. Thanks.